Firstly, start by laying down the seat onto a nice flat surface. You will want a surface where the legs are going to be able to go past the seat, as you can see in the video. Next up, place the leg onto the end of the seat, using your fingers to line up the leg with the front of the seat. Side with front closure is the front. Then take 2 of the 80mm structural screws provided and screw the leg to the seat, following the 2 pre-drilled holes in the brace. Now we are going to line up the 2 diagonal braces on the 2 inside slats, as seen in the video. Start by using the angle and placing on the seat, then sliding it up to the brace on the leg. Now screw the diagonals in using the pre-drilled holes, going bottom screw first, then the top one. Now the seat is ready to be flipped over onto its feet. Following the angle that's on the bottom of the back 2x2, then bring the back up so the angles are all sitting flush and pushed up against the last slat of the seat. Now we can use an 80mm screw to the bottom of the back, just going flush with the wood. Once both screws are in the bottom, it's time to grab your arms and line these up. We do this so that the cutout in the arms sits flat against the back slat. Now we can do the 2 top holes in the back, 2x2 screwing into the back of the arms. It's best to have a hand on the arm while screwing it to avoid the arm being pushed away from the chair. Use your finger to check the overhang of the arm at the back. Now do this against the front to make sure the arm is nice, straight and even. Secure the front of the arm by screwing through the pre-drilled hole with a 50mm screw. Screw until you feel it fully secures the arm and there's no wobble or movement to the arm. Repeat this on the underneath at the back of the arm. You have now fully built your garden chair/bench and are ready to enjoy the sun.